Hello, I'm going to try and show you how to fix your glove box in your Corsa. So the problem is that when you open it, it opens nicely, but then all of it falls out. The reason for this happening is that there are hinges right here, these round bits here, and inside of here going bolts that are located, not sure if you can see, there, right there. And these go around here, and that's what allows this to stay on. However, this is a common problem that they snap, so I'm going to show you a simple way, a trick how to fix it. I have purchased this car recently, so it's not up to cleaning standard. As you can see, this is pretty dirty, and this part is also pretty dirty right here. And I'm gonna first try and take this whole thing off. And to do so, there's a simple way. There are normal screws. One is located here. There's one on the other side, and there's one located on the bottom. You guys would hopefully see it. And I'm gonna show you how to take this off. These certain bolts are not your normal standard Phillips head or a flat head. What they are is a star head, as you can hopefully see right here. Focuses. It's a 6. So now that all the bolts are taken out, this just comes out quite nice and easy. Open the door so there's more space. Just like this whole thing comes out. So now I'll take this back and I'll clean it. So now I'm back at my apartment, and I'm gonna just give this a nice good clean with some normal wet wipes or just a dishcloth soaked, just get rid of the stains and all the dirt that's pretty much left here. However, since this is all nice and disassembled, I really want to touch up now, because you can easily see it, about these pins. And let's say you don't have them. I do have them, but if you don't, there's an easy solution to fix them, because they are located right here, and the way to remove them is to just pop them out like that, and this pops out all the way. I just want to take it out. Goes back in with a nice click. Same with this one. This one's a bit harder to get to, but yeah, the idea is still the same. Just push it out and it goes all the way out. So I'll take them out to try and prevent them from getting damaged, and give this whole thing a good nice clean, both from the back, from the front, and also the lid as well. See you guys soon once I've got this all cleaned. This is just to show you guys how the pins look once you remove them. They obviously came from here and now they're here. So yeah, I'll just wash it and I'll show you once it's done. Well, now I've cleaned it as well as I could, and I would say there's a bit of an improvement, if I could say myself. So now I'm going to show you how to replace the hinges. The most easiest way is to get a drill, which I'll show you how to do later. Drill a hole in one of those holes here, or the whole thing, depends how big your zip lock is. And if you don't know what the zip lock is, it's one of these. These just go in like this together. You go around the circle, and you can tighten them, and they don't get loose. However, I mentioned earlier that you could also not have any bolts in the main bit here. You won't have any bolts. So the way to solve it is quite simple, actually. You can use one of those as well. The way you do it is you feed it through here, just like a normal bolt would be. Just give me a second. So you just feed it through here. Put it through just like that. And just go for the back and tighten it. I'm not going to do that because I have my bolts. lying on the table next to me. However, that's the solution, let's say, if you don't have any. So what I'm going to do now is use a drill, just like this one, with just a normal end to drill holes, and go into here, obviously at an angle, and drill a hole right through here, and do the same on the other side, right through here. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys the process of it, but just, you know, I'll cut it and show you guys the result, and then I'll show you guys how to feed through the zip right through the hole we'll make. So after using the drill, as you can see, the zip locks fit perfectly, and I'll remove them just to show you how I made the holes. And that's one hole, that's the other hole. And these are gonna go through here as I showed you, and they're gonna go around this whole thing, and they're gonna get tightened. I'll show you that in a second. So I just assembled it like you would normally assemble it, as you can hopefully see from here, just how it should be. And by doing that, I just put the hinges over the bolts that are below here, and that is in pretty nicely. However, you know, if we keep on using it, just open and close it like once or twice, this will obviously just fall apart. So we need something to strengthen it. So through here, I'll put a zip lock right around and go around and tighten it. And I'll do it on both sides. I'll show you how to do it now. So I just disassembled it to make putting this through much easier. So here's the end bit. This goes right around and right around here, and this will clip at the end. I'll do the other side, then I'll join it once again and tighten it finally. So now that I got it through, I'm just going to tighten them and you'll see the final result. So now that it's properly tightened, you can see we've got it good and working. It does not go apart at all. That's just... So now the only thing left to do is just to trim these a bit, and you're good to install it. So now I'm going to put in the bolts we unscrewed, all 5 of them, into it. So as you guys can see now, this is fixed by the untrimmed bits here. It works perfectly fine.